And that was a tough car, huh? Mustangs. They're tough.
Please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to my build of the Gone in 60 Seconds 1967 Eleanor Mustang. I am currently working on issue 20. Now, I originally started this through Eagle Moss, and now it is available through FanHome. I'll be working on stages 75 through 78. Look at the magazine here real quick. We'll be working on the radiator and fan shroud. Once again, continuing with the radiator all the way through to working on the engine timing cover. And lastly, alternator and pulley systems. We'll look at the articles here. A different kind of businessman. Beautiful Eleanor. World of lights and shadows. 60-second files. Lindsay, 1999 Bentley Arnage. And 1995 Ferrari F355 Berlinetta. And the 1998-99 Ford Mustang convertible. And the next dispatch here. Let me get the parts. We'll look at what we got with this issue. 75 radiator parts. 76 once again radiator parts. 77 the timing chain cover. And 78 the pulleys and belts. Let's get started. Quick view of the instructions here. The parts that came with this. And here they are. Get a closer view. Fan shroud made of plastic. The fan also made of plastic. And PS05 screws. Bring over the radiator assembly that we assembled in 74. And we'll go ahead and line up this little tab right there to the opening on the radiator. Flip it over. We're going to put in 4 PS05 screws. And last one. That's what that looks like there. Looks good. That's all I do with stage 75. Let's head over and do stage 76. Stage 76, I work on the radiator front honeycomb and top. Pretty simple here. Let me get the parts, I'll be right back. Here's the parts for 76. Get a closer look. PS12, front of the radiator, plastic, photo edge grill, very nice. Top of the radiator core, the cap. We put the screen over the top of the front of the radiator. Use these little tiny PS12 screws to secure it down, just 2 of them. That's what it looks like. Now we'll install the radiator core. It has an alignment tab. Small PS12 goes into that to hold it in. Good there. Over the radiator, we're going to line this up just like that. Ensuring that our radiator hose opening is on this side of the shroud versus that side. Now we'll press fit the front of the radiator. Just like that, snaps in place. That's what that looks like. That's all I do with stage 76. Let's head over and do stage 77. Stage 77, I work on the engine timing cover. Let me get the parts, I'll be right back. Stage 77 parts. DSO2, PSO5. Here's the cover, it's made of metal. And the rest of the parts are plastic. Install this small stopper, as they call it, into the back of the timing change cover. Install this mount next. 2 DSO2 screws go into this. I did put 3-1 oil on it. Nice and tight. Next we'll put the filter unit on here. And it only goes on one way. Has a flat edge. Squeeze that together. That's how that looks there. We'll mount this to the timing chain cover. And this is going to mount there. It has an alignment tab. PSO5 goes into this. And that's how that looks. That's all we do with 77. Let's do the final stage for this pack. Stage 78. Stage 78 is the alternator and pulley system, and I have a little more to do in this stage. Here's parts. Let me get the parts, I'll be right back. Here's the parts. PSO5 screws, radiator hose, alternator, and belts and pulleys. Put the hose together first, just snaps together. And it's going to slot into that. It does have a flat edge. That's how that looks. We'll put that aside. The alternator slots in also. It does have a flat edge. Press fit together. Looks good. And we'll mount the alternator to the cover. PSO5 goes into that. That looks good there. Put our pulleys and belts on next, and that will pressure fit. PS5 goes on the back side. That's good there. Everything is held together. That's all I do with stage 78. That completes issue 20. Looks great. If you think you'd like to get this for yourself, head over to FanHome and see if it's available and sign up for it today. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.